it's me, Jay.
And Arya.
And today we're eating onion rings. Basically, onion rings are made up of onions, of course, but the big onions. So, what is onion rings? Onion rings are a form of an appetizer or side dish.
It is crispy onions breaded and fried.
Yes, so it will be very good for kids and I'm sure all people will like it. It's very tasty and crunchy. So first we'll show you how to make it. This is the onion rings. Look at it. It's all crispy and crunchy. And here also we got ketchup and mayo as a dipping sauce. Looks so tasty. So guys, I'm telling you this is very good for kids and also as a starter. So now Arya, wanna eat? It's onion attack. So hungry. Let's dip it here. Woo! Come on, let me check if it's good. Perfect. Make this, guys. You will totally enjoy it. Very tasty. Crunchy, crispy, epic, awesome. Want some? Perfect. Make this, you will lovely enjoy it. Wanna hear a crunchy sound? Hope you guys heard it. Very nice. Is it good? Totally good. You must cook this. You must. How's it? Totally good?
Wow!
I love it. You should make this, guys. Very good. Believe me. Dipping sauce.
So yummy, guys.
Wow!
Guys, we can't stop eating this. It's very good. Believe me.
And look at this. It's a snacks.
Onion rings, guys, are also good for parties. And remember, this is not junk food. Remember the name onions,
healthy
which are vegetables. Yeah, this is also healthy. Good for parties too.
Oh my god.
You might be drooling now. This is very good.
I think they must be hungry.
Totally, I can't stop saying it's good.
Hey!
Yummy.
Hoopla.
So guys, if you want to try it, you can also make like this.
Yeah, you can also make it. It's very good. You must taste it and make it first, of course. Guys, this is also popular. You can find it in any restaurant. Oh, and here's the onion. Now it's hiding under the bread and the breadcrumbs. See, this is the onion. You can find it anywhere. It's very good. It's quite popular too.
It's very simple to make like this.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. There's onion. Well, this is a big bit and small.
It's like the best thing I ever tasted. Wow, here's the last one. Goodbye, onions. You gave me a nice meal.
Yummy.
Very yummy.
Okay. Yummy. We finished.
Awesome. Guys, that was a nice meal. You must try this. Yum yum in my tummy.
Yummy.
Guys, this is totally good. How many times I've said this? It's really good. Very good for my tummy. Thank you, onion rings.
Bye-bye.
So guys, we hope you're not drooling now. You can also make it simple. We already made a tutorial on how to make it. So guys, that was the onion rings video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.